Happy Friday, everyone. Happy Friday. So I am going to make myself, while it slowed down in here. It was popping today, but it kind of slowed down. So I was like, okay, should I make myself a fruit smoothie that's healthy, getting me some energy, or should I go to, order from a store or something? But I decided to make a fruit smoothie for my lunch today since I had a shake earlier. And it also is like a little detox that I'm doing because just wanting a detox today. So I'm going to tell you what fruits I have. So this is what I have. I have bananas, oranges, strawberries, apples, and mangoes. Okay? And then, so that's all what's going to go in my smoothie, right? Then I also have some kale, right? So kale as well. And then also mango pineapple shake. I'm going to put mango pineapple shake as well. So I already have the water in. I can just start dumping everything in. So I dump everything in. I'm also going to add my favorite almonds because I love almonds. And then I'm also going to add a little scoop of fiber because, like I said, it's like for detox, right? And I'm on the daily detox thing. Like, that's my life. Like, we inhale so much pollution, bad particles, that it's very, very important that that we detox ourselves every day. And now it's time for the mango pineapple. And I'm only gonna do like 1 or 2 scoops of the 2. Okay? And then the fruit, all the fruit I have in here, mangoes, apples, bananas, oranges, they're all sweet, and strawberries. They're all sweet. So usually I would add honey if I'm like looking for like a natural sweetener, but I don't need it. So I have fiber and mango pineapple and the fruits and the kale. Okay? Let's see. So the only thing about these fruit smoothies is sometimes it gives you like this weird color. But I'm not really concerned about the color. I'm more concerned about what it's doing for my body. And I feel so great after I have one of these. Every time. Like, in a way, it lets me release, like, body fluids and stuff to make, it's just, I know it's detoxing me. I feel good. I'm energized. So, I'm going to put it on juice. Then I add like a little ice after it juices. So I let it juice for like 30 seconds and then I add ice and I finish juicing. So now I'm gonna add some ice and then let it continue to juice for another 30 seconds. But anyway, so I am super excited today because I go to Georgia for an event and to be with my family. It's going to be a powerful weekend. you want to be a guest at the event, just hit me a DM and I will make sure you're there with me. We're going to have even like a recognition night and a party after. I'm going to just smoothie it a little bit too. All done. I don't know what the color is going to be like, but of course it's going to be green because of the kale, right? But look, and then I'm going to taste it and let you know how it tastes. But you know how fruit is delicious. So, but what it does for your body is even more delicious. Like, my body is delicious because of what I put in it. Like, I take care of my body. But yeah, this is like, it's so good. But I do it at least like 4 days out of the week, especially if I prepare myself for it. Like if I do the shopping and get the fruit and have it ready, and the kale and the almonds, then I do it 4 to 5 days out of the week. But yeah. Delicious, like unbelievably delicious. So remember what I said: mango pineapple shake, almonds, apple, banana, mango, strawberries. Did I leave anything? Kale. And sometimes I even add like grapefruit. I squeeze grapefruit in there. But yes, it's so good, y'all. You gotta treat your temple the way you want your temple to treat you. So what you give to your body's gonna give you back. Okay? So I want you to think about that today as you're going about your day. It's so good. Well, I want you to think about that today as you're going throughout your day. What you're putting in your body your body's gonna give it to you right back. So if you treat your body good, your body is gonna treat you good. Right? If you treat your body bad, your body is gonna treat you bad. So keep that in mind. Make good choices today. You literally deserve to feel and look your best self. You deserve that. I promise you do. Okay? So treat yourself like that daily. All right? Love y'all. Mwah. Happy Friday. See y'all the next time. Thank you for joining my live.